Hello, I'm back again to our Mackie's vlog. And today our guest is no other than... my beautiful mommy. How are you, Mommy Dane?
Fine.
Fine. Okay. So, how's your Christmas?
Okay.
Okay, well, that's a very long answer. Okay. Today I will have a question and answer with my gorgeous mommy. Up, you're reading the question. See? Milk or coffee?
Coffee.
Black or white?
Black.
Big or small? Long or short?
York.
Princess Elsa or Dora?
Francis Alsa.
iPhone or microphone?
Microphone.
Nora or Vilma?
Selma.
Ukay-ukay or Louis Vuitton?
Louis Vuitton, siyempre.
Okay. Now, Mami Deng, there are many people were telling me that you're becoming more beautiful every year.
Yes, because of the present of God.
Because of the presence of God. That's why Lola Deng is becoming more and more beautiful every year.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your favorite song?
Power of your love.
Power of your love. Daddy is watching you now. What's your message for him? You start with, Dear Henry.
Dear. I'd like to greet you a merry, prosperous New Year.
Wow, that's a very, very
Coming 2007.
Merry, prosperous New Year because Christmas is finished
Yes.
yesterday.
You have to say 5 times, only 5 times. Say, butiki, bituka, butika. Can you say again? Butiki.
Butiki, butika.
If you say it 5 times correctly, then I will give you a shopping bonus from Mackie Boy. Okay, you ready?
Butiki, bituka, butika, butiki, bituka, butika. Butiki, bituka, butika.
Butiki, butika, bituko. Ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex.
Ang nilon, niloy, lero.
I'd like you to have a 1 million bonus. Okay?
Ang nilon, niloy, lore.
More.
Ang nilon, niloy, lore. Ang nilon, niloy, lore. Ang nilon, niloy, lore. Ang nilon, niloy.
Cut! Very good. Nice try, Lola Deng. Okay, instead of saying ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex, Lola Deng or Mami Deng says ang lilo ni Leroy ay Rolex. It's all L. Okay, thank you very much for that. Merry Christmas to everyone in the Philippines and all around the world. Okay, before we end our program, I'll ask my Mami Deng to say a sweet message to all.
Agantag may panglawat, good health, strength.
No, English. Simple.
Give strength, wealth, and prosperous New Year.
Okay.
Coming 2017.
Thank you very much, Mami Deng, because health is wealth. Bye-bye! Happy New Year! Woo!